أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
والله فضل بعضكم على بعض في الرزق فما الذين فضلوا براد رزقهم على ما ملكت أيمانهم فهم فيه سواء أفبنعمة الله يجهدون.
Allah has favored some of you over others in livelihood. Those who are favored would not give their properties to their servants, to the extent of making them partners in it. Will they then renounce Allah's blessings?